And Birmingham city centre was also reported to be very busy. At the Merry Hill Centre in Dudley, retailers say the sales got off to a brisk start this morning and it got busier as the day went on. At one stage there were 5-mile tailbacks around the centre. That's the news so far this evening. Now it's time for a look at the weather with Ian MacAskill.
Hello. Further heavy rain is likely at times in Western Britain both tonight and tomorrow, and yes, there will be further localised flooding as well. Do listen out for the reports. On the satellite sequence we can see a huge mass of cloud over the Atlantic sweeping northeastward across the country. This is an active set of weather fronts rushing quickly northeastwards across the country. Lots of isobars. Those white lines on the charts, and isobars mean winds. What do isobars mean? Winds. And that'll be the picture not just for tomorrow, Wednesday, but for Thursday as well, as gradually much colder air sweeps eastwards across the chart. But a mild night for most places, not everywhere, but most places tonight. The radar shows some fairly hefty bursts of rain in northern and western parts of Britain as we speak, and there'll be further in the next 24 hours. Indeed, there'll be some snow in places too. It's snowing down to 400 feet in northern parts of England, on the Cumbrian Fells too, and there'll be snow at quite low levels in southern and central parts of Scotland as we go through the night, as this cloudy air sweeps northwards. There could even be several inches of snow on the Scottish Highlands during the night. Temperatures up there -3 Celsius at the moment, but rising slowly during rather a windy night. And that's tomorrow. A lot of cloud and wind over the country. There'll be some dry weather for a time over Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and northern England, but basically a lot of cloud. And a further burst of heavy rain will move northwards across those western and central districts during the course of the day, and further flooding is possible. By the very end of the day, though, the rain turning more showery in western districts. Lots of hill and coastal fog around southern and western areas, and gale force winds at times. Big arrows throughout tomorrow, particularly in the south and west. Those are the average winds at lunchtime tomorrow. Temperatures, well, apart from Shetland, which will be only 4 Celsius, quite a mild day, 10 over Scotland and Northern Ireland, 12 to 14 Celsius over England and Wales. Then rain in the southeast and the north on Thursday, then turning cooler and more showery, but still very windy everywhere. Wintry showers too.
A terrifying incident sets 2 girlfriends on a law-breaking journey across the USA. Thelma and Louise in 15 minutes on BBC 2.
Do join me for my Films of the Year programme. It's been quite an eventful year in the cinema, marked by censorship controversies, a British picture proving to be the top money earner, and more of you actually going out to the cinema. I've selected my 10 best together with the turkeys, the 10 worst films on offer. See if you agree. Films of the Year, tonight at 10:50 on BBC One.
He's got soul.
Steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come follow me now.
He's got rhythm.
We're gonna rock the house, we're gonna move the crowd. Say it loud, we're black, welsh and proud.
He's got style.
Well, hello.
And he plays the ukulele.
Ding, 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 ding. Hey, Joe, ring.
He is Lenny Henry, tomorrow at 9:15 on BBC One.
Now on BBC One, taking a swipe at what's currently occupying the nation's attention, the wickedly witty Jasper Carrott.